How to connect Sonos to Alexa. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly connect your Sonos speakers to Alexa. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to voice commands to control your Sonos with ease. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your requirements. First, make sure you have a compatible Sonos speakers like Sonos One, BM or Move, the Sonos app and Alexa app installed on your phone, an Amazon account, and then you need to your Sonos and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Set up Sonos. Open the Sonos app. Go to Settings, System, Edit Product if your speaker is not already added. Wait until the speaker is fully connected and ready. Step 3. Add Alexa to Sonos. In the Sonos app, tap Settings, Services and Voice, add a voice assistant, and then choose Amazon Alexa. Sign in with your Amazon account and follow the setup prompts. Step 4. Enable Sonos skill in Alexa app. Now, open the Alexa app, go to More, Skills and Games, search for Sonos and tap Enable. Sign in with your Sonos account and allow device access. Step 5. Discover devices. Say, Alexa, discover devices. Or tap Devices, More, Add Device, Speakers, and Sonos inside the Alexa app. Step 6. Test a command. Try it out by saying, Alexa, play music in the living room. Or Alexa, pause the kitchen speaker. And that's it. You've just connected your Sonos speakers to Alexa and can now control using voice commands. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.